Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record your iPhone screen on your Mac. To do it, open QuickTime Player on your Mac. I have it already opened. And connect your iPhone to your Mac via a cable. You may get prompted on your iPhone to select Trust this computer, then enter your password. So only do that, connect your iPhone to your own Mac or a Mac that you can trust. And when it's all connected, then in QuickTime Player, go to File, New Movie Recording, and then by default it may select your webcam, but to change it, just click on the arrow next to the recording button and select your iPhone from the screens section. Also, for recording audio, you can select your microphone from your Mac, from your iPhone, from any other device. You can change the quality to high or maximum. I'm gonna select the microphone from my Mac. You can see that it now moves because the microphone is working, and I can start by pressing here, and you can see that it records my screen. I can move it, and then when I pause it, the recording is created by pressing here, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.